How to become a seller on Uzum Market. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website at uzum.uz. Scroll down to the bottom of the home page and look for the section called For Entrepreneurs, and below this you will see Sell on Uzum link. Click on it to open the seller registration page. On the registration page, you will see an option to become a seller. Click this button to start the application process. Next, fill out the required form with your details. This may include your business name, contact information, tax identification number, and bank account details for payments. Make sure the information is accurate and up to date. After filling in your details, upload the necessary documents as requested. These may include business registration papers or other identification documents. Once everything is complete, submit your application for review. The Uzum team will check your information and notify you if additional details are required. After your application is approved, you will receive confirmation and access to your seller account. From there, you can start uploading products, setting prices, and managing your online store on Uzum Market. Now you know how to become a seller on Uzum Market and start growing your business online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.